Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if this is by chance the first video of mine you were ever seeing, hi, my name is Erica, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have here in my Disney Parks bag. But this video is gonna have a little bit of a twist to it because when I was thinking about making this video, I realized that, depending on the time of year that I go to Disney World, my park bag does slightly change. So what I thought I'd show you guys today is first, I'm gonna show you all the essentials, everything that I bring to Disney, no matter the time of year. And then I'm gonna show you guys specifically what I bring for each season. So like spring and summer, hurricane season, and winter. Now, I have been to Walt Disney World more times than I can count. I've literally been going ever since I can remember, and I've gone multiple times a year. I've gone during Christmas, Halloween, like February time, spring, summer, and I also I will admit that I am that friend that usually has whatever you need. Like there have been many occasions where my friends have turned to me and they're like, hey, Erica, I need this. Do you have it? And 9 times out of 10, I do have it. I don't consider myself an overpacker. I'm definitely not an underpacker. I like to think I'm right in the middle because I pack all the essentials and then a few like just in case items. And I do think my friends will admit that they don't always pack like as much to the parks because they know that I probably already have it packed. So yeah, that's kind of like where I stand with packing. So again, I have like all the essentials and then a couple of like just in case items. But let's go ahead and dive into the bag. So first I'm going to show you guys all the essentials again that I bring no matter the time of year. But to start things off, I thought I'd show you guys my Disney Parks bag. So this is the bag that I bring with me every day to the parks. It is a Disney Loungefly bag and it is the first official Loungefly bag that I've owned. The reason why I never bought like any of the other Disney Loungefly bags is I just always thought they were a little too small. So when I saw this one, I was like, I feel like this is gonna be the perfect size. And right now it does have all my essentials packed in here, but you will see that I still have a good amount of like empty space in this bag. So like perfect if I pick up any merch or if I want to throw like a jacket in the bag. But yes, I really do love this bag. The only thing I wish I could change is I wish there was like a little side pocket here. I mean, you do have this like nice front pocket here, but I just wish there was like an easier pocket that I could just easily slip my phone in and out of. But that's like the only thing I don't love about the bag. Besides that, she has worked really well for me. So starting with the outside of the bag, I have, of course, a little hand sanitizer because I always say Disney World, most magical place on earth, but also the most germiest place on earth. So I got my hand sanitizer right here. I love that this one clips on the outside of the bag. So that way I'm like not digging into my bag for the hand sanitizer. I can just quickly spray. And then I have a little mini ears holder. I love this so much. I actually got this at Tokyo Disney, but I love this because that way I don't have to push shove my mini ears in my bag. I can just clip them on the outside of my bag whenever I need a break or if I'm going on a ride. And then opening up this front pocket, I do have several little items in here. So first of all, I have basically 2 different kinds of chapsticks. I get very, very chapped lips, so I have a Burt's Bees, and this one is great because it has SPF. And then I have Aquaphor because I just find if my lips are really dry, Aquaphor just helps hydrate them the best. And then I have a little breath mint spray and a little lip gloss. And then that's all I keep in the front pocket. And now to dive into the main compartment. So starting things off strong, water. Always have a water bottle on me because you gotta stay hydrated when you're in the parks. And then I have my sunglasses, my wallet, and then I have a portable charger and a phone cord, a comb because I like to brush my hair after getting off a ride. Next, I have some Clorox wipes, and these are nice to have if you need to like wipe down a table, or sometimes I like to wipe down my phone. And then in this little baggie, I have some Band-Aids, some like little nail files, safety pins. These are really like just in case items, but they are nice to have just, in case. Then in this little Vera Bradley pouch, I have my trading pins, and I'm not like huge into trading pins, but it is something that I like to do here and there. So I like to keep them in this little pouch, and I'm curious, I don't even know what pins are in here. So, it's kind of like a mystery pin unboxing. So let's see what we have in here. We have, oh, little Dale, I forgot about him. We traded him on our last trip because Tay and I dressed up as Chip and Dale for the Disney race. Aw, I can't trade him. I have to put him on my pin board. So I better add him to the pin board. And then let's see, what's this other pin? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. Oh, it's lady. That's right. We opened these mystery pin boxes. So this is like a little lady hat. I probably will trade this one on my next trip. But yeah, those are my little pin trades. And then we have this little green baggie. And in this bag, I kind of have like my care kit slash toiletries. So in here, we have a little hand lotion, an extra hair tie, and I do like wearing a hair tie or using a hair tie to pull back my hair if we go on any crazy rides like Rock and Roller Coaster or something like that, so that way I can just have my hair pulled back. In here, I have a few like Tylenol pills just in case I get a headache. And then we have some deodorant spray. I love using this in the parks. Like sometimes I just go in the bathroom and I just spray a little bit of this on, and I swear I feel like a new woman when I leave that bathroom. I love having this. And then lastly, I have just like little blotting paper, and really this like little green bag I use whenever I go to the bathroom and I just kind of need a little refresh. I'm telling you, just packing a few of these items really makes all the difference. Okay, so that was everything that I bring no matter the time of year. Those were all of the must-have Disney essentials. And now we're gonna get into the seasonal stuff. And I thought we'd start with winter because first, winter, I mean, it does exist, but like it's such a short window in Florida. It's really like late November to January, maybe a little bit into February that I may pack these items, and there's only 2 items. So first of all, a pair of gloves or mittens. This is such a nice thing and an easy thing to throw in your bag when it starts to get really cold at night, which it does. It does get very cold, and that's coming from a Michigan girl who deals with some serious winters. But I just love having these mittens because again, they don't take up a lot of space in the bag, and it does make a difference just to kind of stay a little bit extra warm if it gets really chilly at night. And then the other thing I pack if it's cold is a Disney sweatshirt. Now, when I do pack a sweatshirt in my bag, she does fit, but she is very, very, very stuffed. So usually I might put the sweatshirts in my husband's bag, but if I'm going like solo or if I'm like going with friends and I don't have another bag, I will just stuff it in my bag. Worst case scenario, although I've never done this, I mean, you could just rent a locker and like put kind of like your more heavier, bulkier items in the locker. But for the most part, I do make it work. Like it does fit in this bag, or again, I just like pass it off to my husband and he carries it in his bag because he doesn't pack as much to the parks as I do. But yeah, it's just nice to throw in a sweatshirt if it's cold. If it's really, really cold, I may also pack leggings and switch from like shorts to leggings, but I've only done that like once or twice. And leggings don't really take up a lot of space in the bag, but I just definitely like having a sweatshirt when it gets chilly because I tend to get more cold on top than on the bottom. So yeah, I just have a sweatshirt and the gloves. Those are like the only 2 things that I really pack during the winter. And then for spring and summer and also hurricane season, I'm just gonna show you all of that right now because really from like March to September, October, I'm packing these things in my Disney Parks bag. So starting with some liquid IV. Now, usually I will drink liquid IV in the morning, like when we're on our way to the parks, but sometimes I like to throw one of these in my bag just in case like throughout the day I'm feeling really dehydrated and I can just pour this into my water bottle. So I have that. And then we have, of course, sunscreen. Now I am applying this before I go to the parks, but sometimes throughout the day, it is nice to reapply because, you know, that Florida sun, she's fierce, she's strong, she's gonna burn you if you don't apply your sunscreen. Then this next item I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna put this in that little green baggie when I'm at the parks because it kind of falls under that like self-care / freshen up section. And that is a little makeup powder. So this is from e.l.f. I think it was like $5, maybe $4 I got off Amazon. It's just nice to have when your makeup starts to get, you know, a little blotchy looking or you're getting a little shiny. And I just go and I just kind of like, you know, add a little powder when I'm in the bathroom. So that again is gonna go in that little green bag. And then of course we have the fans. Now these are the 2 fans, like portable fans that I own. This one I used to use a lot at Disney. Now I'm leaning a little bit more towards this one, but I will show you guys both because you may prefer one over the other. Now the reason I like this fan is you kind of wear it like a necklace. So you can kind of put it on like this, turn it on, and then it's like a hands-free fan. And you can like tighten this so you can like tighten it so it's like a little bit closer to your face, or then you can just kind of pick it up and like, you know, kind of fan yourself. It does just have like the one setting, so like this is the highest it goes, but I do like that it's hands-free. And then this next fan opens up like so, and then it's like one that you just hold in your hand. Oh, is she dead? Oh no, she's dead. I can't show you how she works. Oh wait, did you work? Oh, no, she's not working. Okay, but let me tell you about her. She has 3 settings, so low, medium, and high. So I do like it because she can really get powerful, and you can like, fan it wherever you need it. But the only reason I don't like it is because I gotta have it in my hand. And when I'm at Disney, I'm either vlogging or I'm taking pictures or I'm on my phone booking a lightning lane or something like that. So I don't love that it's not hands-free, but I do like that it's a little bit more powerful than that hands-free one I showed you. Next, for the rainy/hurricane season, I'm sure you're gonna guess what I'm about to show you, but yes, I do pack ponchos, especially during like hurricane season, August to like September, a little bit into October. I will just pop these in my bag. They don't take up a lot of room, and when you need them, they are really nice to have, and these are like so much more affordable than the ones that Disney sells. So I will just always have these in my bag just to throw on. But if I'm looking at the forecast and it is like raining, or like I'm about to leave and it's already raining that day, I do like to also bring a light rain jacket. I love this one. It is from North Face, but it is super thin, so that way you're not feeling like really hot in it. But it is just like a really nice lightweight rain jacket. So again, I'm gonna wear this if it is 100% raining, like as I'm leaving, or I know it's gonna rain that day. I will be most likely bringing this. But if the forecast is just like, we don't know if it's gonna rain, I mean, odds are it's gonna probably sprinkle at some point, I'm definitely packing those ponchos as well in my bag. And that is everything I pack in my Disney Parks bag, depending on the season. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did find it helpful, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you want, subscribe down to the channel because we go to Disney World all the time and I'd love to bring you guys along all of our Disney adventures. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!
You cut me loose and set me free.